In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your Miro board using Talktrack. This is a fantastic tool if you want to create engaging and informative presentations or tutorials directly from your Miro boards. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure you can use this feature effectively. To begin, make sure you have your Miro board open, whether in the desktop app or your web browser. Now, you're going to look for the video icon. It's typically located in the collaboration toolbar near the top right of your screen. Once you click on this icon, you'll see an option that says Record Talktrack. Go ahead and select that option. You'll notice a side panel appears on your screen. This is the place where you can confirm or adjust your camera and microphone settings. It's important to ensure that your microphone is capturing your voice clearly, so you might want to test it beforehand. Similarly, if you're using a camera, make sure the video quality meets your standards. Adjust whichever settings you need, then you're ready for the next step. When you're satisfied with your settings, click the Start Recording button. Now, this is where you can get creative. Begin navigating through your Miro board naturally. Pan around, zoom in on the important areas, and highlight items you want to focus on. It's like giving a tour or presentation. However, keep in mind not to click play on any embedded media or open pop-ups. These elements unfortunately won't be visible in your Talktrack, so it's best to mention them without interacting directly during the recording. As you record, you'll notice a recording toolbar at your disposal. This tool is crucial for maintaining a smooth recording session. You have the option to pause if you need a break, or collect your thoughts, restart if you make a mistake early on, or stop when you're finished. Make sure to utilize these functions as needed to ensure your Talktrack is polished and coherent. Once you've hit stop, your Talktrack will appear in the panel on the right-hand side of your screen. It's also worth noting that a shortcut icon for the Talktrack is automatically placed on your board. This is convenient as it allows for easy access later. You can drag this icon around to reposition it to a spot that best fits your board's layout. Moreover, if you'd like to manually re-add it at any point, you can use the Add to Board option in the panel. And there you have it, your very own Talktrack recorded and ready to use. This method is a powerful way to enhance your presentations and tutorials, making them more dynamic and interactive. With a bit of practice, you'll be creating professional